all of you look at this. Suppose I am taking two fractions. Look at this. And 5/7. Acha, let me take the fraction in such way so that the numerator denominator all are different. No matching is there. Okay. Now how to compare? No need to write this. Suhana, don't write it. First try to understand. Okay. Okay. Now look. Acha, mute yourself. Mute yourself first. Okay, now how to compare? Look at this. At first we have to write 2/3 and 5/7. Now there will be two more steps. Look at this. And how to do these steps? Basically, always look at the denominator. It is 3, though. And this one is 7. Always take the LCM of these two. Take the LCM of these two denominator. What will be there? LCM 3 and 7 are co-prime. So, what?
21.
35. Oh, ma'am, 7 and 21. Sorry.
Yes, 21.
21.
7 and 5. Sorry, ma'am.
21. Anushka, yes, so 21 is the LCM. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what we have to do in the denominator?
Ma'am, paused.
Now, how to make?
Voice is cracking and pause. Please.
Stop. Cracking, then also keep quiet. Look, acha, the denominator we have to make this LCM 21. We have to make the denominator how much? 21. Yes, so now how to make it 21? At first, the third step we will do. Look here, 21 we are writing. Now,
3 7
how to make this 3? 21. 7. Yes. As we are multiplying by 7 to the denominator, we have to multiply by the same to the numerator also 2 into 7.
7.
This will be 40. Is it clear?
Yes,
Up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Mitraji? Soham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and here 7 into what will be? Make it 21. 7 3s are. The same thing we will have to do here also. 5 into the by the same 3 into 15. Now,
Which are you
the
doing?
denominator-
I can't understand.
I have taken one
Now,
extra
because
sum. I am explaining how to compare. Now look, the denominator is same. Yes or no? 21.
Yes, like
Now
fractions.
out of 21, which one is greater? Suppose you have got in maths 14 out of 21, and I have got 50. Definitely you.
15 out of
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why this one will be the greater one. Greater fraction. 15 by 21. Now at the time of writing the answer, don't write that this one is greater. Then you have to write 5/7, the original fraction, from which we have got this one. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana?
Denominators.
Exactly. Is clear though?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For this one, exercise
Yes,
C
ma'am.
1A. Exercise C 1A. For this one,
Ma'am,
look at
directly answer.
here, exactly. Here the
Directly.
denominator is already given same to. Like fraction is given.
Yes,
Anubha,
ma'am.
Like fraction.
Anubha understood too.
Yes, ma'am.
Kazi,
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
okay.
Ma'am,
So what is this? Just tell me the name. Suhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana, just look. First one not understood or this one? 1A. Which one?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. But at first, look, basically we have to make the denominator same, huh? Again, I am explaining the first one, but before that, let me explain this one. Here, the denominator is same to already given na in the question, Shuhana.
We can directly
Now, out of 9, this one is given 2. And out of 9, this one is given 5. Which one is
5
more?
out of 9.
Shuhana?
5
5 out of 9?
Ma'am,
So,
ma'am,
just
5
write.
of 9.
Exactly. 5 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am, clear. Yes, ma'am, clear.
Clear though?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Was complete.
No,
So now I'm coming to that point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Swana, don't worry.
Now
I'll come to that point. Okay. Acha. 1A done to all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Now 1B.
1B.
Swana, now look at this. I'm explaining that one. That's no doubt. Okay. 1B. Kazi, also look at this. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Look, the question number B that is given. Look at this.
Ma'am, but
1 by 18. And look, here basically let me explain. Here basically look, the numerator is same.
equal.
The
Equal.
numerator is same. Equal. So which one will be the greater one? How to check? If the numerator, suppose some student, one student got 50 out of 60 in math and one got 50 out of 55 in math. So which one is better?
50 by
Out of 55, 50 out of 55 na? Suppose
Yes,
out
ma'am.
of 10. Suppose
Yes,
out of
ma'am.
10 you have got 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? And you are one student. Suhana has got out of 8. That means it's same. Okay, but the denominator is different. Then only we will have to look where the denominator is given less. That one is basically a greater number. Yes, though. Yes or no?
Will we write directly?
Yes.
Yes,
directly
ma'am.
what to write. Now 1B.
Yes.
Write the answer as
If the denominators are the same, then the numerator is bigger. The answer is bigger.
numerator are same. So we have to check the denominator, right? Yes, though. Junaid,
Yes, I want to tell this.
now how to check here? See, so 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 18. Understood? Complete this one. Anuva, Auditro, completed? Yes.
Complete, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. I am Anushka. Complete.
Anushka, good.
Completed.
Soumodip, Argodip, Ashmita. Done to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me do the next one. Look this.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Acha, number C is also very much easy. Look, here it is 119, 119, na? Same. So which will be greater? The second one, 19 by 119. Yes, to. Riazuddin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So let also in number D. 15 same numerator as 4 is the
15 by 4.
15 by 4 will be greater.
15 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me do number E. Acha, Ashmita, look carefully. Huh? Who understood this one? Shuhana. Shuhana,
Yes, ma'am.
look at this one very carefully. 7 by 3 by 7 and 5 by 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Look what to do. Basically, you have to take their LCM, the denominator part, 7 and 8. What, Shuhana? These are the co-prime. 56 will be
Yes,
the LCM. Yes or no? So
Yes, ma'am.
put 56 in the place of denominator. Now, by which number we have to multiply 7 so that it will be 56? 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's Suhana. So
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
numerator part also we have to do the same calculator. Okay, the same calculation we have to do. 3 into 8. 8s are 24.
24.
This one clear?
Yes,
Sohan
ma'am.
or Godeep? Okay. Now 8 into which
Ma'am,
number we
clear.
have to, by which number we have to
7.
multiply?
7.
Same
Seven.
number we have to take in the numerator part.
35. 35.
Yes,
Now
35.
Suhana, which one is
Ma'am,
greater?
30.
This one or this one?
Ma'am, 35.
Exactly. Right? As 35 greater than 24. So 35 by 56 is greater than 25 4 by 56. But directly we'll write the fraction. Which one is given? 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by
3 by
which
7.
one is given? Okay. Achha, all of you understood this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ipsita, Trisha, Divyanka, Bolin, Shafin Khan,
Yes, ma'am.
Oishi and Mirza.
Ma'am.
Riazuddin, Sinjini.
Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Achha, tomorrow again I'll start computer, okay? I'll complete that exercise and the part which is remaining after that, if I got time, then maths, okay?
Okay, ma'am.